there, beautiful people. Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing an inspired look, and it's inspired by the one and only Meg Thee Stallion. I decided to test myself, challenge myself by doing one of her makeup looks, and it includes a cut crease. And you guys, I do not like cut crease because I find them really difficult and I don't think they suit my eye shape. But I'm going to challenge myself and try to do it. So I want to hear your opinion on this look. So the first thing I did, I've already done my foundation and my brows, of course, so I'm going to go ahead and prep my lids for my eyeshadows. So I've used some Revolution Prime and Lock primer, and then I'm setting that with some Benai Banana powder. Okay guys, so the palette I'll be using today is from the Makeup Shack, and I'm using their Ocean Breeze palette, and the shade that I just pointed to you is what I'm using to warm up my crease area. Okay guys, so I wanted that brown to be a little bit more deeper, so I'm going to go ahead back in the palette and use that brown I'll be pointing to, and I'm just going to go ahead and pop that over the first shade. And imagine a utopia. So what I'm doing now here guys is mixing both shades together to make it a little deeper.
My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I still.
So guys, I'm going to go ahead and add some black, and that's just to intensify the crease area, because in Megan's picture you can see that she had some black in her crease area as well. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that and blend out as I go along.
Disgusted with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down.
And time for the part that I hate the most, you guys, but I am challenging myself and I can do this. I'm going to use my LA Girls Pro Concealer in Fawn to just try and carve out right where my crease is. As you can see, I am pulling that across really terribly, really badly, but we're going to make it work. I mean, we can't be good at everything, you guys, but it's all about challenging yourself and making sure that you try something new, and that's exactly what I'm doing. So please be easy on me. It's not the best, but I'm going to make it work. So just keep on watching and you'll see how it all ends up. So guys, I had to get a brush to help me out here because it was not very neat. I wanted it to be really sharp, but it wasn't coming out sharp, so I use this brush to help me carve it out a little bit better, and it's sort of helping but not 100%. Anyways, we're going to carry on because that's what we do. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to carve out that crease area, and then I'm going to use some concealer as a base to lay down the shadows that I'll be adding very soon.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such?
Guys, I was so nervous doing this. This is my second attempt at doing a full-on cut crease. I usually just cut, you know, like half of my crease, not the full-on cut crease. And I was so nervous doing this, but I tried my best. And, you know, it came out okay, but I need to practice some more, obviously.
Out of my live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face. I stood and wait because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe every single thing we see.
What a relief, guys. I've done the hardest part. Oh my god, I'm cringing because I hate it, but I'm going to carry on. So I'm going to go ahead and add some of that white shade onto my carved out lids, because I couldn't tell exactly what shades Megan used, but I'm going to sort of mimic what she had. It's not an exact look of what she did, but this is more of an inspired look, so it's not going to be exactly the same, but you know, we can.
Perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa.
Okay guys, this part is optional. I don't think she had any silver shadow on, but I just wanted to bring my lids to life, so I'm adding just a little dust of silver. Okay, so using this e.l.f. liquid liner, I'm going to go ahead and do some wing, because Megan had some lovely big wing going on.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start.
And then of course we are going to complete the eyes by adding some lashes, because she had some lashes on as well, but they weren't super dramatic. Alright guys, so let's finish off this face. I'm going to go ahead and highlight with the Juvia's Place concealer. I'll leave the shade on the screen, and then I'm going to go ahead and add some Sephora Kohl black liner to my eyes, because that's all I can see that she had underneath her lash line area.
My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend.
Okay guys, so I know that the foundation was looking a bit red in parts, but it's how the light was coming in. I promise you it's a lovely shade on my skin. It's not red or anything, and highlighting does help to bring it all together. So I've blended out my concealer and now I'm adding some Ben Nye banana powder to all the highlighted places.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
Alright, so to finish off the entire face, you guys, we are going in with the lips, and I'm using the LA Girls Perfect Precision Lip Liner in Chocolate, my absolute favorite lip liner at the moment, cheap and cheerful. And then I'm going to go ahead and use that LA Splash liquid lipstick. I forgot the name. I think it's gone off the packaging, so I can't really tell you. I'll try and find it, but I'm not sure. And then I'm going to use my Fenty Gloss Bomb to top that off because Megan had a nudish glossy lip.
And imagine a utopia. Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me.
Alright guys, so this is the final look. I do hope you enjoyed watching the video. I hope you like the look as well. Go ahead and comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And of course, thumbs up this video if you liked it. If there's anything else you'd like me to do, go ahead and drop that in the comment section down below. And thank you so much for watching. I want to hear your feedback. Do let me know, you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Mwah.